Wow!
Hello, welcome back to FanTasteCafe channel. I am going to show you how I do my skincare product daily, and this is my daily skincare product here.
Step 1. Apply TPF Skin Activating Treatment Lotion gently on your skin. 使用激活修护精华露，轻轻的拍打在脸上就可以咯。Step 2. Apply TPF Skin Activating Treatment Serum and a little massage on your skin. It will be perfect. 接下来使用激活修护精华，并在脸上轻轻的招下按摩，就可以让脸部更紧实咯。Step 3. I am going to share you my favorite product, TPF Skin Activating Treatment Cream. I usually apply a lot on my skin as a night mask, and next day you wake up, you'll find the sparkling on your skin. 接下来我要分享的是我喜欢的激活修护精华霜，我通常呢会厚敷当成晚安面膜使用，隔天醒来你会发现惊喜哦。
If I go travel, I bring my travel size. Order online if you the whole set and you enroll the membership and you have the trail this one like this set. And this is number 1. You do tapping on it and you warm up with your palm and tap on your skin very gently. They can help you to absorb your skin. And number 2 is the serum. Also another one. Skincare product like this. And don't forget your neck because they can show your age. So very important for that. And number 3, the cream. I really like this one. The texture is very good. Look at that. So only 2 steps you can do that. And also do it with a palm like this and put on your skin gently. A little bit, a little massage on your neck. Voila, done. They do the whole spa at home, also very enjoyable. I hope you like it, my skincare treatment sharing.
The Ice Hotel, welcome.
Happy birthday, my husband, your husband. This is the favorite restaurant you like in Thailand, 度小月. And this is the 蛋仔面 you like. I ordered for you. And you want to use your eyes to eat them. I actually eating for you. 你试吃，我实吃. Okay, I'm actually eating for you right now. I'm such a bad TaiTai. No, I'm such a good TaiTai. I even brought you the gift. Look at this one. Like a fish here. You like fish? You always say I'm fish. I'm a marine photographer. I'm a fish in the water. And this is fish. And this is a gift from Anping, the favorite place you like in Thailand, Anping. So I brought you the gift like our Taiwan fish in our fish tank in Canada home. Okay, I'll show you unboxing for you the gift you like. Bioyona 产品的包装就是海洋披炎激活修护精华经典组，就这个产品。Hope you like it. Happy birthday！ 希望你喜欢这个礼物啦。那我现在先帮你开箱，送给我老公的保养品。Hope you like it！ 然后它的包装也非常好看，整个是个鱼系列包装，非常的经典，非常的奢华。希望它可以驻颜有术啦。And I also ordered the dessert for you because you're always asking where is my dessert after meal. So this is Alisha Mountain, the IU jelly. You like it, this thing. So happy birthday with your dessert. This is special birthday cake for you. You also got the birthday card from our government, Thailand government. Happy birthday! So I'm unboxing for you this one. Here. Usually the happy birthday thing they are all different woman one because woman day because your birthday is March 8th, 女神节, 38妇女节. But now you look at this one, they have a little guy here right now. So happy birthday for you from our government. Since you become the half son of our Taiwan, you already got many blessings from our government. Happy birthday for you.
the light.